Hello, so today we talk about what is Cretan. So in this video we also talk about the main Cretan of Indian seals, and especially in this slide we talk about Bastar Cretan. So a Cretan is an old and stable part of the continental crust that has unaffected by any tectonic activities for at least 500 million years. Main Indian Cretan are Bundelkhand Cretan, Bastar Cretan, Dharwad Cretan, Singhbhum Cretan and Aravali Cretan. So in this video we are going to talk about Bastar Cretan. So Bastar Cretan is also called Bastar Bhandara Cretan. It lies to east northeast of the Dharwad Cretan and separated from the latter by the Godavari Rift. It is located to the south of the central Indian tectonic zone. The Bastar Cretan is limited by three prominent rifts, namely the Godavari Rift in the southwest, the Narmada Rift in the northwest, and the Mahanadi Rift in the northeast. The Bastar Cretan occupies a key position in the peninsular India, being located between three cratonic nuclei of India: the Dharwad Cretan in the southwest, the Singhbhumi Cretan in the northeast, and the Bundelkhand Cretan in northwest. So the Bastar Cretan is essentially formed of orthonyes with enclaves of amphibolite and covers an area of 1,30,000 square kilometer. So as you can see here, this is the Bastar Cretan, and in the index you can see these are the cratons, these are the rifts, and this is the actually Western Ghat, and this is the Deccan Trap. So as you can see, Bastar Cretan is bounded by Godavari Rift in southwest, Mahanadi Rift and Narmada Rift, and the Cretan is located here. Singhbhum Cretan is in northeast side, Bundelkhand Cretan is northwest side, and Dharwad Cretan is this side, southwest side. Here is the Tapti Rift. So this is the location of Bastar Cretan actually. Now see the stratigraphy of Bastar Cretan. So Kotri, Dongargarh, Oregon, and this is the rest of the Cretan stratigraphy. So in this stratigraphy, the younger one is Chilpi group, then Khairagarh group, Dongargarh granite, Nandgaon group, Bailadila, and Bengapal group. The rest of the Cretan have Chilpi group or Sakoli group, Malajkhan granite, Kanker granite, Sona Khan group, and Bengapal group. So these are about 26 to 1800 million years old. Now see here, this is the Amgaon group, which have Bhopalpatnam and Kodagaon granulites, Sukma granites, and Sukma group in Chhattisgarh. So these groups are actually covered Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh area. As you can see, the Khairagarh is in Chhattisgarh, Dongargarh in Chhattisgarh, Bailadila, Bengapal and Nandgaon is Chhattisgarh, while Chilpi group is in Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat area. And this is the Gneissic complex. Basement is actually Gneissic complex. Important lithology of Bastar Cretan. So the important lithotectonic association in the Cretan is Gneissic complex in Sukma and Amgaon area, with granites of different ages: Dongargarh, Malajkhand, Kanker, Jharim, and Sukma area. Granulite belts of Bhopalpatnam and Kodagaon, Kotri, Dongargarh, Oregon. Isolated fold belts of Bengapal, Sakoli, and Sona Khan. Mafic dike swamps, Bijapur, Gidam, Kodagaon, and Keskal. Proterozoic Purana basins, Abu Jumar, Chhattisgarh, Kharir, Indravati, Pranhita, Godavari, etc. So this is the main lithology of the Bastar Cretan area.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.